Oh man, we got the Zydeco music playing. The stogie, the brick house is fired up. Fixing to fire up that barbecue pit. Do some burgers tonight. Weather is just gorgeous out here. So, got a little package opening for you. Someone gave me this little Northwest Trail Camo folding knife a while back, and I never did open it. So I think I got it for Christmas. One of the family members gave it to me for Christmas, and never opened it up. But I'm out here, found it in my little sock drawer. Decided to give it an open. Oh my goodness, the neighbor's fixing to cut the grass. Camo folding knife. Oh, it sounds like he's got his four-wheeler. 3 1/4 inch stainless steel blade, made by Northwest Trail. Model number W9333. Ideal for mechanics, campers, sportsmen, and much more, including the Cajun Blaze. Also includes a belt clip that's over here on the back. I call that a pocket clip. Thumb stud with easy one-hand opening operation. So there you have it. Let you see the back of it. You can see all the details. Wait, I can't imagine he's going very far. Let me stop this until he turns that four-wheeler off. Maybe he's done. Turn the four-wheeler off. I just sat back, enjoyed a little Wayne Toops in the background, and smoking this brick house. But to get back to the little package here, let's see here. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. I'm gonna do this off of camera just because it's a little safer. Opening things on camera tend to get kind of dangerous. So there we go. Let's just slice. I'm using my Chris Reeve Sabenza. That's the knife I'm carrying today. Well, that's a thing of beauty right there, huh? Oh man, I tell you what. Anyway, it sliced right through that little package. Let's pull the little blade out. All right, man, that's a heavy knife. Wow. It's a frame lock. It's got a black coating there on the blade. Northwest Trail. Got a single thumb stub, right hand. Stainless china. You know, I carry some nice knives, but this is a cool looking blade. And when it's given to you as a gift, I mean, I'll take it. It's got a coolness factor with that camouflage. I'd say the handle is made out of steel. Too heavy to be aluminum. Doesn't really say on the package what the handle's made out of. Let's see what the tolerances are. Lockup is really good. No up and down or side to side. Pocket clip is there to stay. You can take it off, but you can't really move it around. Y'all cut all that hollering out. There's a lockup on the liner lock. I'm sorry, the frame lock. It's kind of thin like a liner lock, but deployment is very smooth. Very smooth deployment. Fits good in the hand. Got a little burn spot right there for these big old grip. You can see where that, I guess if you hold it like that, kind of off to the side. This frame here, it's not beveled, so you're gonna have some hot spots right there too, I can tell. The clip is pointed up kind of severe, comes up kind of high right here, so that's gonna give you some you're gonna feel that. But overall, I mean, man, this is a beautiful little blade. Foliage, camouflage on the blade. But compared to the Chris Reeve Sabenza, Sabenza's a little larger, but much, much lighter. Not sure what the weight is on this, but it's a hefty little blade. How sharp is it? It'll take the hair off. It's razor sharp. Nothing wrong with the edge. So there you have it. Northwest Trail, the Camo folding knife. 3 1/4 inch blade. I imagine you can probably pick this up at Walmart or some of your local hardware stores. And I mean, who doesn't like a camouflage black blade with a camouflage handle? I mean, that's just tactical right there. So I think this is going to be pretty cool. Keep this in my little sock drawer or my truck or a tackle box. I tell you what, I'm not prejudiced to knives, so I love it. I always love having a blade. This blade, when you have no blade, is better than not having anything at all. So, cool deal. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. The Cajun Blaze always says, not A, not B, but see ya in the next video, that is. Y'all take care. Have a great day. We'll holler at you boys and girls later. Bye-bye for now.